Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. What's up? Today is a really exciting day because I am going to be filming a week in my life video. I haven't done one of these in forever. I'm going home today, which is great. I really just kind of missed home and 2 hours away, so why not just go home because I can. I'm also going to film a video today. That's why my makeup's all done. In the meantime, I'm gonna start cleaning my apartment because I just want it to be all clean and nice when I leave. I have lunch plans with my little, all sorts of fun stuff. Let's go.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you?
Apartment is clean now. I have kind of like a limited time because I have to be somewhere at 1, so we're gonna see how much I can get done. Hopefully I can film the video with the time I have. There's a lot of traffic because it's Friday and I am gonna get stuck in it. I just know, and this happened the last time I went home, but it's okay. We're gonna play some good music. It will work out. Does anyone else like love juice? Because I'm legitimately obsessed with juice. Okay, we're switching over to vlogging on this for a sec. This is my setup, by the way, for those who are wondering. We're just gonna have my bed as the background. I'm listening to some Khalid right now to pump me up, and it's been good. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. This is very exciting. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I just got my 100,000 subscriber plaque, which is so exciting, and this is all thanks to you. So thank you so much for adding this beautiful addition to my wall. Anyway, that was really exciting to get in the mail, and I feel very accomplished now. So thank you so much for subscribing and sticking around and being a part of this channel. Let's put you guys on this tripod. Whoa. Oh. There we go. You guys are not on. What is going on? See, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey works the other way when you're over here. Boom, let's film. Hey, Katie's here. We're adventuring now. Video has been filmed. So happy this week is over. We're gonna go get food right now because I'm hungry and
I am starved.
We're gonna go get acai bowls at my favorite place.
I kind of want a smoothie, but I also kind of want like to get a
Food.
croissant.
Well, we can make it work.
Wrong floor.
Whoa, wrong floor.
I just sucker punched you.
I look like a dog.
Don't let this be our final song.
Oh, whoa, 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 oh. We're eating a smoothie bowl. Hallie hasn't gotten ready yet. What the heck?
Not
See? Wait, oh wait. That's me. That's you. This could be our thumbnail.
This looks so good. This is so pretty. I never want to ruin them.
Dude, I know. You just gotta dive in. Right now I'm packing to go home. Honestly, usually I don't even pack clothing because I have clothes at home and I just bring like my makeup and my computer. But because my friend Leah is coming home because she goes to Santa Clara and I haven't seen her in 2 months or 3 months, I can't even remember. She wanted to go on a photo shoot, so I packed some options of things I could possibly wear. And then Katie is over. She's grabbing her dad. She's gonna show her dad the apartment and we're eating a snack. I'm packed up to leave. My bags are ready. Now I just have to carry all this stuff to my car and then dip.
So small.
Home sweet home. Ooh, we got goodies. Curology was so nice and sent me this adorable package. This is like full of little pins and stuff. This has a bunch of M&Ms and apparently they just launched a new cleanser and moisturizer. I am super into skincare stuff, so I'm really excited to be trying these out. Great skin takes time. These pick-me-ups are instant and it's so cute. They have like a little pin with ghost hugging and candy. So we're at Bridgeport and we're gonna go shopping and watch a movie and get food, and we're gonna see A Star is Born, and it's so good to be home. It looks so pretty. Everyone just always asks where my mom is, and I just want to say it because everyone thinks you're like missing or something. She just is camera shy and doesn't like to be on camera. So no, my parents aren't divorced. She's like around. She just doesn't want to be on camera. So that's the tea. When you want the entire store. We're trying to find pants because I don't have a lot of pant options, so that's what we're shopping for. Ooh, I love those. This is the first outfit. We finally found some jeans that are cute, but I just need like one size smaller, and we have a lot of stuff to try on.
And I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Guys, that was the best movie. Literally, my mom and I look at the time and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna go to bed. Good night. Yellow, happy Saturday. Oh, that song always plays. Like everyone's always first song that plays. We're eating food right now because I'm hangry, so that's the update. Dear car, please let us take this spot because we literally have been driving around for 3 laps. 3? 4! I think it's been 4 laps we've been driving around trying to find a parking spot. And every time we think there is one, someone takes it. OMG, that's what I like to see, Christmas. Okay, we got the delicious caprese, so now I will be happy again. Oh, that's so sad. Mom's making me get a flu shot, so the joys. This is the waiting room. It's very modern and nice. That could be my job. I could design waiting rooms and balance my human physiology degree. And I would just do the interior decorating of all the hospital waiting rooms. It could be kind of fun, honestly. It's just nude and ugly. I miss the pediatrician when they had sparkle ones, and you gotta get a sticker. We have Poshmark order and ballot ready to deliver. We're gonna go drop this stuff off, and then we are gonna go downtown Portland. I'm very excited because Zara just opened. Really happy because we went to Nordstrom Rack and I really wanted this half sip and it was on sale, but it was $40 and we were like, yeah, it's not worth it. And then she rang it up and it was $25. My mom is the shopping god and I'm convinced. Happy Sunday. It's also daylight savings, so it's kind of weird, but thank God because I have been running around trying to get stuff done. Right now I'm gonna go meet up with my friend Leah. We're gonna go get food and we're gonna take some pics. Sundays are just crazy, man.
Living the good life full of good vibes. My eyes are on the bridge, sky saying I don't want to come home tonight.
Leah said she's out front, so we're gonna look for her. Hi! Thank you. You look so cute.
I bought those and then I returned them.
Why'd you return them? They're so fun.
They didn't fit me.
Oh, they're cute. You sound sick.
I am.
Yay! Our delicious food.
I'm gonna take a picture of you.
You're the first one to take the picture before I even take it?
I'm a big fan.
Shocking. Okay, well now I have to take a picture. See you in 2.5 weeks. Bye, Leah. Update for you guys. I finished my homework thing that I wanted to do today because I have more homework tonight. I quickly loaded up my car. Went shopping at the store so I could get stuff for Katie because I'm gonna make her big little basket today because she is in Portland, so I have to put it out for her. Now I'm gonna try to jam to Eugene because I wanna drive while it's still light. All right, we just made it home. It's 5 o'clock right now. I have to carry in all this stuff. I might have to take multiple trips. I'm gonna try to also go to a philanthropy event so I can cross that off. And then I have homework, I have an exec meeting. It is just like grind time. I'm here with T1 at the philanthropy event. We got our fries and our root beer flow. I'll show you guys the inside if I remember. We're just going to our little's room because they're not here at the sorority house. Katie and Kylie.
Left their light on though.
They did. Katie's bed's really comfy. Just replacing our littles. Oh man, this is nice.
What if you had a room like this?
Honestly, this would have been fun if we were roommates last year. Her wall's so cute. We're just chilling out, waiting for my exec meeting. I'm back at home because silly me thought that there was an exec meeting today when in reality it got canceled and the notification was just buried in the end of like a really long paragraph text, so I never saw it and I was sitting down there and there was no meeting. We're back at home and now I have the next hour of my life to do stuff, but I'm really excited because I just got a package in the mail and it's from Diff Eyewear. My dad's like favorite pair of sunglasses sunglasses that I own is actually from them. And so they sent me some cool stuff, and the thing I'm most excited about is they sent me some blue light glasses. So weird, but lately I've been having so much trouble sleeping. I haven't been able to fall asleep, and blue light actually affects your melatonin levels. Okay, so this is the first pair. This is the blue light ones. So cute. Very nice case, good packaging. Oh, this is a pair of sunglasses that I really wanted. Oh my God, these are so cool. Very snazzy. I really like the pink tone. Next pair. One of the coolest things about this company is that every pair of glasses that they sell, they actually donate a pair of glasses to someone in need. So I think it's a really cool program. These are the ones that Katie and I were looking at that we were like, these are so cool. OMG. Okay, if these aren't the cutest things you've ever seen. Probably end the vlog here just because I have a ton of footage. Seriously, these vlogs, I end up literally editing an hour and a half of footage down to a 10-minute chunk of time. Oh wait, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. I just made my grand little, aka Katie's little's first basket for Big Little Reveal tomorrow, and it's candy day. I got a bunch of good stuff in here. These are my favorite cookies from home. They're made in Portland. We got Justin's peanut butter cup, Andy's jelly beans, Hubert's lemonade, Sour Patch straws, gum, Gardettos, peppermint mocha. It's beautiful. So Hallie, I hope you like it.